Now let us see B part. It is 5009, 5090, 4999, 5099. Ascending में सबसे छोटा. तो first we will see the digits under 1000 place value. तो सब में 5 है. And in third number it is digit 4. So 4 is the smallest. That means this will come at number 1. ये सबसे छोटा है. Now we have to see next bigger number out of these three. Now see the digits under 100 place value. 0, 0, 0. सब में same है. So we cannot make it out which is bigger and which is smaller. So we will see the digits under tens place value. 0, 9, 9. So in two numbers digit 9 is there and in first number digit 0 is there. That means which is smaller? 0. So this will come at number 2. Now we have to compare these left numbers. Now we have to see the digits under ones place value. Here it is 0 and here it is 9. So which is smaller? 0. So this number will come at number 3 place and this is the greatest number. So first of all, in ascending order, we will write the smallest number. Smallest number is 4999. So I have written here. Next bigger number is 5009. So I have written 5009. Next bigger number is 5090. So I have written 5090. Now the biggest is 5099. आपको क्या याद रखना है? जिस तरफ सिंबल का माउथ ओपन होता है वो नंबर बड़ा होता है और जो क्लोज्ड एंड होता है दैट इज स्मॉलर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. अरेंज दीज नंबर्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इसमें उल्टा करना है. उसमें असेंडिंग में क्या किया था? असेंडिंग डी से क्या याद रखोगे? पीछे की तरफ जाना. डी मीन्स पीछे की तरफ. पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा और फिर सबसे छोटा. Now, A part. 4 numbers are given: 7306, 7603, 7036, 3760. D means सबसे बड़ा पहले आएगा. अब इसमें सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? इन 7 digit सब में सेम है. So we will compare the digits under 100 place value. तो under 100 place value, which is the biggest digit? 6. So 7603 is the biggest. ये सबसे बड़ा है. उससे छोटा 7003 है. 306. So this will come at number 2. उससे छोटा 0 है. तो 7336 and सबसे छोटा कौन सा हुआ? 3760. So first we will write 7603. Then we will write 7306. Then we will write 7336 and in the last सबसे छोटा लिखेंगे 3760. अब हमने इसका जो सिंबल है इस तरफ क्यों किया है? क्योंकि जो ओपन माउथ होता है वो बताता है कि वो नंबर बड़ा है और क्लोज्ड एंड बताता है कि वो नंबर छोटा है. नाउ लेट अस सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. नाउ इट इज 6311, 6113, 6316, 6111. Now digit under 1000 place value is same. We cannot make it out. So we will see the digits under 100. 3 is here, 1 is here, 3 is here, 1 is here. So ये दो digits बड़े हैं 63 वाले. अब next we will see the digit under tens place value. Here 1 is there and here is also 1. Still we cannot make it out which is bigger and which is smaller. So we will see the digit under ones place value. Now here 1 is there, here 6 is there. So which is bigger, 1 or 6? 6 is bigger. So 6316 will come at number 1. 6311 will come at number 2. Now we have to find these. Here 13 is there, here 11 is there. So which is the next bigger number? 13. So 6613 will come at third place and the smallest is 6000 111. So first we will write 6316. Next smaller number is 6311. Next smaller number is 6113, and the smallest is 6111. So of question number 2, C, D, E part you will do in notebook, and of question number 4 also C, D, E part you will do it in notebook. Again I am repeating, question number 1 you will do in book, question 2 you will do in book, question 3 C, D, E part you will do in notebook, question number 4 C, D, E part you will do in notebook. I hope it's clear to you, my dear students. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 2.9. So first of all you will write today's date on the top. Today is 27th April 2021. First question, write the predecessor of the following number. What do you mean by predecessor? Predecessor means before. What comes before? You have done in LKG, UKG, first and second class also. Okay, what comes before, what comes after, and what comes between. So these are same only. Here there is a change of name. Earlier you used to do what comes before. Now we will write the predecessor. Predecessor means what comes before. As you can see here in A part, 547. So before 5, which number will come before 547? 546. Which number will come before 368? 367. So you can say one less than the given number is known as the predecessor. Now question 2, write the successor of the following. Successor means what comes after. After means next number. As you can see here, 399. So what is the next number after 399? 400. So this is the successor. Successor means next number. Predecessor means before number. So B part, 298. What will come after 298? 299. So in question number 1, C to H part you will do in the book only. And in question number 2 also, C to H part you will do yourself only in book. And question number 3 you will do in the notebook. So in this question, write the predecessor and successor of the number. A number is given to you, you have to write both. What comes before and what comes after. Predecessor means before. So what comes before 2740? 2740 से पहले क्या आता है? 2739. And what will be the successor afterwards? क्या आएगा? What will be the next number after 2740? 2741. So B part, what is the predecessor of 6089? 6088. And successor means after. So what will come after 6089? 6090. Predecessor means before. So what will come before 9898? 9898. And what will come after 9899? 9900. I hope this topic is clear to you, my dear students. Thank you.